anchor the end of the tarp to the tree with a bowline knot. Ta-da!
Alright, so the second thing that you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to throw a rope around this tall part of the tree and add a little bit of a carabiner. This is so we're gonna pull it up and tie it around so it'll be nice and high.
Okay, so after you have your tarp anchored to the tree and your carabiner up in the tree, you have to take this long cord here and wrap it around this tree. That being the tree that your tarp is anchored to. Make sure to get it nice and high. After you do that, you anchor it to this point and this point. Pull the rope through. After you have that nice and tight, you grab some of it in your teeth.
And then you're going to walk up and you're going to thread it through the carabiner and then tie a nice fat trucker's hitch.
Wow, is that so?
Once you've got it hooked up to that carabiner, you're going to want to thread it through the last piece here. Pull it nice and tight. Make sure it's not tangled up in your boots.
Basically. So the way we learned it is that you tie a trucker's hitch from this rope, but for convenience, we're going to weave it around this tree. And tie a trucker's hitch here instead.
Wow, what do you know?
Make sure you get your slip knot nice and slippy. Get the trucker's hitch nice and tight.
Oh, really tight, indeed. Wow. Looking good, looking good.
Now, in order to make sure that the tail end is taut, go ahead and give it a little tug. And that's how you get the first part set up.
Wow.
Alright, next, what you're going to do is you're going to use this fly. You're going to pull it nice and tight, find a piece, stick in the ground, use it as a stake, come around and do the same type of knot. We like the trucker's hitch. You could also use a taut line hitch if that's what you're into.
I prefer the taut line, personally.
I prefer the truckers because I like it better. You pull it nice and tight. You get that slip knot.
Oh, let's see that slip knot, yeah.
Pull it through, and there you go. If you're in a windy day or out in the elements and you're a little bit worried, you can go ahead and tie it again. Wow. As a safety measure. So there you go.
So the double trucker.
Yeah, you can throw a nice little overhand knot and give that nice and safe. And if you need to, you can just pull it out and boom. You can adjust it as you see fit.
Wow, Alec. Thanks for showing me.
And that there is a bomb shelter.
So, when you're done with your bomb shelter, after, you can have all your friends come and you can play fun games.
Yay!
And eat food.
Happy.